So, guys, again, welcome to the meeting tonight. Once again, we're gonna have awesome stuff for you today. We got some great news we just find out for you, and we're gonna share with you today. And we need to tell you guys how the meeting gonna be. We're gonna have two presenters. Um, the first gonna be our partner, brother, all the way up there to DMV, Mr. Patrick Joseph. He's gonna do the first part, and I'm gonna do the second part. Now, during the presentations, your mic gonna be muted, and to prevent any distraction, you'll be able to ask questions. And first off, there's a chat button at the in the middle at the bottom. Some of you start writing already, so I think then they'll just say welcome, Serge. So you can type your question right there if you can't wait for the questions. And at the end, we're gonna answer the chat first and the vocal question after. And also, the this presentation has been recorded, so you'll be able to have a version of it that you can reuse to review what we said and also present to your partners. So feel free to share it. It's gonna be posted no later than tomorrow. You'll be able to see it. And if you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, you'll be notified once the video is gonna be ready. So we're gonna have an awesome presentation. We're gonna go over some principle with you guys, and those principles are proven. We're gonna show you the opportunity for you today, as we said in the text, saying in 5 years you can retire. And definitely there's some good stuff for you, for any one of you. Doesn't matter where you come from, what is your background, there's something for you, definitely. So without any further ado, my friend Pat, you got the mic.
Well, thank you very much, Richard. And I personally want to thank everyone that remember, because I know last Wednesday when we had ended the meeting last Wednesday, we said that this one will be starting today at 8 o'clock, because we just changed the time, the meeting that we used to have at 9 o'clock to 8 o'clock. So I think most of you guys, you remember that. I know a lot of people don't remember they're going to come out after 9 o'clock, and we will see them coming. But you guys, you know your thing, and I appreciate you guys listen, and also you here on time. So once again, I just want to welcome back. If you're new to the meeting tonight, my name is Patrick, and I'm living in Maryland. So give me one second. I like the fact that I'm a part of this group, and referring to Liyeplimal, where it is all about how you can grow your money, build a legacy for yourself and your family. So it took me a while personally to really understand the vision of Mr. Emil when he promised he will eradicate poverty, and also created 1 million millionaire. So it was hard to digress that at the beginning, but now many lives has already started to change, and he has been already started creating millionaire in Africa, and also a lot of lives have started to change also here in the US. So today we are going to talk about something that is developing very fast, and I'm super excited to talk about it. Something that gives me hope. And after seeing everything that is happening today in the world with the coronavirus, and uncertainty is more real and present than ever. I mean, most of us that lives in the US, we know a lot of people have lost their jobs. And I remember when I came to GIT, it was in the deep of the virus, like no one in our group when we started was going to work. Richard was the only one that was working, because in his field at the time that it was better for him to work more. It was in April when I started. So it was very awful. And I still remember that today. In every bad situation, there always come a good thing. I don't want to say without coronavirus, I won't be in GIT today, but that really kind of reshaped my idea to understand how you have to have a backup plan always. And the backup plan, you cannot rely on a job that you have, because no job is recession proof 100%, unless if you're working for the government or if you are in medical field on some other field. But for the most part, whenever something goes wrong in the world, the job that we are going 9 to 5 every single day, you might have a chance that it won't be there anymore. So that gave me more, I would say, I took GIT with all the strength, and that's how I started in April 2020 this year. So we have to be more smarter and getting more smarter to understand if you happen to believe the current monetary system that we do have in the US. So when you go to Chase account, you bring your money, they give you 1,001%, and they turn around, they give the same money that you give them to somebody at 5 to 15%. It's kind of like you make him get richer. It's like you bring your money to them, and they're gonna get richer under your money that your hard earning money that you're making, and you're gonna bring it to them to get them richer than you should be. You are the one that was supposed to take advantage of that, but unfortunately, most of us sometimes we do not see that, and a lot of us don't like taking risk. But I will tell you, with the global investment trading, we do have from 60 to 125%. And so that's one thing, depends on the package that you bought. And we know that for the $100 package, it's 60%. And if you go up to $100,000 package, which Richard will cover at the end of throughout the meeting, it's 125%. So definitely there's a lot money we can make, and also we can change our situation today by investing in GIT. So let me go back, and the founder, which is Mr. Emil Sim Parfait, as we can see here in front of me on the screen. So he's the one that started with this idea in 2017. He was born in 1983 in Douala, and Mr. Emil has the genius idea to start GIT. And we know that in 2012, he was only 24 when he was just a substitute teacher making very little money. So his idea that we are kind of cherished today and we are sharing is something that we all can say, why I never came with an idea that way. Because a lot of us, sometimes we have the money, but we don't know what to do with it. We prefer to bring it to the bank and just let it sit there and get 0.001% of it. So him, after he took a taste of trading in 2012, so he not only making profit, but he took his profit and also he invested in it. And today, if we can all here tonight, it's because of this man idea. He created GIT in 2017, and now we're all talking about it. So we are here to see what GIT has also achieved for the past almost 3 years of existence. So almost 3 years of existence, nearly 30,000 members in 75 countries around the world, including 48 in Africa. So this information that we're providing to you, we got them online through their website and also through the charts. If anything is not fully accurate here, you can always send us a chart with the newest information if you have a newer information about the country in Africa, and also the members, if it's more than 30,000 members. So soon we are going to have 400 platinum and also 40 diamond. The diamond is kind of like a rank, and the platinum is kind of a rank, which Richard gonna cover the second and third part of the meeting. And the card coaches, 4 coaches that we currently have. And also, I like when Richard put 4 Prados, because definitely as soon as you reach that level as a coach, they also give you also a Prado, just to it's kind of a statement like, yes, you are a coach, so you have to have also the Prado that goes with it. So the first coach that we do have in this company today is Mr. Bahira. The second is Mohamedou. The third one is Miss Bugmus, and then also the fourth one is Miss Manga. We do have 2 men and 2 women. So far, they do have offices in Burkina Faso, Madagascar, Kenya, etc., etc. And the future and the new one that we hope to have is going to be in the US and Canada. Hopefully, they're going to have a meeting, a new offices here as soon as we reach certain level of platinum and diamond and coaches in the US. So definitely they have to come here and make us proud of this company that we are proud of. So also they have a 47 acre of land by the sea. It's an impressive real estate project that's called Sim City. We're not gonna cover it tonight. And it's one of the projects that I'm so excited about, and I can't wait to see the evolution of this project. And definitely that's something we have to talk about after the third anniversary, which is coming in November. So the cryptocurrency was introduced scheduled the first quarter 2021. So we know that GIT has done a lot of things, and they keep doing things every single day. And they do have also some products and services they're offering. If you happen to live in Africa, these are the platforms that you can use. It's kind of like Alibaba, or also I can say kind of like eBay for us in the US. They do have liyeplimal.net, where you can buy several articles that you can see here in front of you. And also they do have Lee Market and LeeMarketMata.net. All these platforms offers different products and different services if you ever want to use those services on Liyeplimal. And also, this is the project that we slightly touched earlier when I was saying the 47 acre of land they have near the sea. This is the project. We still have this project still ongoing. When I say it's still ongoing, they do still have the private sale and also the SIM coin that we, some of our members already bought some of it. This is gonna be a revolutionary project, which I can't wait to see the end of it. So, and also the GIT trading, it's one of the products that GIT really, I would say, proud of when if you want to learn and know more about cryptocurrency, because everything that we're doing here today, they are investing mainly in cryptocurrency. For those who already know what cryptocurrency means, and for those who do not know what cryptocurrency means, I would advise you to take some time, because it's always good to know a little bit about some information. Because when we said crypto, for you who never heard about cryptocurrency, that will be difficult for you to understand. And nowadays, if you go to Google, you go to YouTube, you can self-taught yourself. You can go ahead and ask any information that you want to know, and that will give you at least a little bit of idea what GIT is investing in. When also we have meetings and we're talking about cryptocurrency, which are several of them out there. So the Global Investment Award they have received is because they are good at trading. They know how to also form people and then make you better yourself. And when it comes to trading, because trading is not only looking and then see the charts get going up and down. And no, there's a lot of psychology that's behind being a trader. So definitely, it's something that not everyone can do, but once you get the proper trading, definitely you can take part of it and you'll be good at it. The simtrack.net is the first and largest trading platform, which is the SIM and the trading platform they use. That's the main platform that GIT use when they are doing trading. And once again, every time we use the term trading, for those who's new into the cryptocurrency world, it's the way that when you bring your fiat money, GIT use it, and they use it and different project. Like it could be Bitcoin, as most of us already heard and know about Bitcoin. It could be Ethereum, it could be Litecoin, any other coin they do have out there. So once they buy them at the low price and they resell them, that's how they make all the profit. And also they promise, and they always kept their promise when you bought a crypto active package. That's how they were able to pay the return that they promised you so far. So definitely we are almost at not at the end of the presentation, but we are about to start it, because I was just brushing the company, just showing you what GIT is. But now we're gonna go and deep dive and what they are doing with Mr. Richard. Richard gonna show you the different type of packages they do offer. and also how you can make money if you don't have money. So the second and the third part, Richard gonna go deeper on it. And Richard, you do have the mic. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Pat. This is an awesome company. Global Investment Trading, Emil Parfasim has this idea, and the perfect part of it is the sharing of this idea, because he could hold on the profit he made by doing the trading, but today he offer you the service or the product called Liyeplimal. Liyeplimal gonna give you as an investor the option you can have your money grow. To do so, with GIT, as Patrick mentioned earlier, you'll be able to start investing by buying what we call a crypto active package. We're gonna have some numbers. Those numbers gonna be in Limo, which is stand for Lié Primal Money, is a dollar sign, and every Limo gonna cost you 1.32 US dollar. Now, um, in order to start, you can start as low as $100 or 200, 400. For now, you can go up to 100,000. These are packages. That's not the limit of investment you can have. You can have as many as you want. You can invest as high as you want. But let me explain to you how they worked. So pretty much every packages, they are called also contract. A contract between you and GIT, no third party, you and GIT for 52 weeks, 12 months, 1 year. And again, it's a contract. You cannot break it during the time frame of 52 weeks. So once you bought your package, you are with the company for 52 weeks. Now, 52 weeks, also the company vow to pay you your payout. It's gonna be 1/52th of your principal and 1/50 should I say 52nd of your interest. Now, the package of 100, which is the Abidjan, you're gonna be receiving every single week for 52 weeks, $3.07, starting week one. Week zero, that's the week when you bought the package. Week one is next week. So today is Wednesday. If you bought a package today, by next Wednesday, you're gonna receive a text, an email saying you have a payout and your balance gonna be $3.07, your new balance. Now, in a month that carry 4 weeks is gonna be 12.28. One that carry 5 weeks is gonna be $15.35 per month of 5 weeks. Now, after 52 weeks, 12 months, it's gonna be 160. This is for you 60% on top of your money. Now, if you bought a package of Porto Novo 200, this is gonna be for you at the end 340, which is 70%. You got it. The more you invest, the higher your return. A package of 400 Libreville gonna bring you 80%, which is 720 or 1384 every single week. Now, you can go also higher as a 800, 1600, or 3200. Let's say 1600, the Malabo package. This package is gonna bring you next week, if you bought it today, $61.53, which is one part of your 1600, one part of your other 1600, because this package bring you 100%, which is your money gonna double after a year of a passive investment. So for a month carry 4 weeks is gonna be 246.12. For one carry 5 weeks is gonna be $307.65. So after 12 months of passive investment, it's going to be 3,200. What is active investment and passive investment? The difference. The passive investment, you bought the package and you don't do anything else, just receiving your payout and wait after 52 weeks to carry it out. The active investor, that's the one that's gonna compound the investment. And pretty much a 1600 package, if you do active investment, you compound the packages for 1 year. After 2 years, you're gonna get 10,500, which is if you did a passive investment, it will be only 6,560. So between 10,500 and 6,560, which one you prefer? And I will tell you, if you push your active investment for 2 more years, 2 years and 1 year of collection, your money gonna become 65,000. Again, be an active investor make more sense. So for now, you can also start your investment with 6,400 or 12,800 or 25,600. The 25,600 is awesome package, Abuja. And what is nice about the compound package, don't be scared about the numbers. I will tell you, they are just numbers. You can reach these numbers with any packages. It's about time. A package 1,600 can become a 25,600. A package 6,400 can become also a 25,600. So the higher you start, the faster you're gonna get there. So compounding a package of 25,600 for 1 year, this is gonna bring you 268,000. But if you do the passive, it's gonna be only 56,320. So you're gonna get, if you do the passive, 1,083 and 7 cents per week. And after 12 months, again, it's gonna bring you 56,320, which is 120%. Now, there's two more packages you can definitely think of. The 51,200, the Dubai, or the 100,000 Waga package. That's an awesome package, bringing you every single week $4,326. And with a month of 4 weeks, it's gonna be $17,307.60. 5 weeks, which is gonna be $21,623.60. That's a lot of money for a lot of you here. This can cover the monthly expenses and other stuff. When we mentioned that in 5 years you can retire, it means you don't need to work anymore. You can have your passive income coming to you. GIT offer you this. And my point to you, it doesn't matter where you started, is the more what you need to know is where you want to go, where you ended. So definitely you can start with low packages and end up with huge packages by doing the compound packages. And the compound packages ask you to invest one time and have your money grow forever. Up to you when you want to stop compounding. So the 100,000 package gonna bring you 125%. We love to explain to you the numbers, saying where you're gonna where come from these numbers we just showed to you right there. So the Libreville package, which is the 400, that's your principal. This package is gonna bring you 80%, which is gonna be 320. Now your principal 400 plus 320, the interest, the return on investment after a year, totalize 720. Now in a weekly payout, you're gonna receive that amount divided by 52, you're gonna give you 1384. And also in a month of 4 weeks, it's gonna give you 5536, or 5 weeks, 6920. Now, we love to say also that's your back office, that's your account. And there's a lot of information in your account. When you start it, the money you're gonna start investing gonna end up in a balance. From that balance, you can buy package or packages that's gonna end up in the investment section. And by next week, your payout gonna start accumulated, and also commission that gonna show you it's a free money to you. The bonus is another free money to you. Now, your sponsor turnover, that's one of the qualification you're gonna need for the levels. We're going to show it to you later on. The team turnover also. Now, everything you receive from the payout, the commissions and the bonuses, they're going to grow your balance. And remember, everything in your balance, that's your disposal. That's the money. You can do whatever you want. You can take it out. You can transfer it over. You can buy new packages with it. When we say buy packages, you go ahead, you look for the package you want, and you click on buy, confirm. As simple as that. Now, some of you ask me, because you just started, you think about you need to go out, have extra money from the outside your account to buy a new package. Yes, you can buy new packages with the balance you have on your account. Now, as an investor, as a passive investor or active investor, you can stop there. You can just go ahead, use your money, buy your package, your packages for 1 year, 2 years. You can compound them. That's gonna bring you higher based on your goal. Your goal might be to pay off your credit cards, to pay off your car notes, to pay off your mortgage, to buy a new house, a new car. With the investment, you can do it. But I will tell you, GIT is for everybody. For you as a passive investor or just investor, for you also that's the love sharing the good, the great, the awesome news about this opportunity. By doing so, the company said, we're gonna recompensate you. We're gonna compensate you for that. We're gonna thank you for that. We're gonna give you money. And I said, the company gonna give you money. So take out in your mind that when you share the news with a friend and the friend invests some money, it because of the friend. The money come from the friend. No, the money come from the company. It's free money to you. Let's dive in right now. Now, you as an investor, you bought your package of 1600, the Malabo package. You love it because by compounding the package of Malabo, and for 1 year, you're gonna get to pretty much 10,500 just in 2 years. But in the meantime, you love what you're receiving every single week. You start talking about that every time your friend come on board, the one you invite personally, they invest something. You are entitled right there when you bought your package of 6%, which is going to be for that friend 1,060. The second friend 424. Another one 424. Now, I will tell you, at the first level you just started, to be qualified or to satisfy the bonus from that level, you have two requirements. First one, we call it the sponsored turnover, which is supposed to be 1,800. The second, we call it team turnover. What is the team? Everybody under you. But also, I will tell you, a team can be one investor or many, several thousand investors. So don't see the chart over there showing you pretty much 3, 8, 9 people. You have to go out and talk to 9 people. Not necessarily. You can talk to even one person or one entity like your best friend, your spouse, your child, or also your company. Yes, your company can be your downline. It can be one company that invests any kind of money. So when you talk about team, don't see team as many. Team can be one or several. Now, when the team combined give you 6,000, mean one person can come on board and bought a package or several packages for 6,000, you're gonna satisfy the two requirements. The sponsor turnover, 1,800, the team turnover, 6,000. Guess what? Another free money for you. Beside the 6% you receive, another $360 for you, plus your investment every single week. That's a lot of money for you. And you are graduated to the second level. At the second level now, you're gonna receive another commission. Your first generation gonna keep bringing you 6%. Your second, 2%. Again, your first generation, every time somebody buy a package in the real time, you get a text saying that is your commission. And you just pretty much, that's 6% of what the friend has invested. And when their friend also, the one they invited, invest something, you're gonna get 2% out of that, which is already for you free money, 8%. And again, when the people you invite personally, maybe only one, totalize 10,800, and everybody also it might be one, totalize 36,000, you qualify the second level and to receive a new bonus of 1,800 free money that you can buy a package of 1,600, another Malabo, and a package of 200, a Porto Novo package. We're going to bring you higher, more than where you are. Now you qualify for the third level. At the third level, you get it. You have three levels of compensation: 6%, 2%, and 1%, which is the same thing. Every time your friend at that level has pretty much invested or bought a package, you receive right there your commission of 6% or 2% or 1%. And when everybody at the first level, it might be again one person, has invested 54,000 and everybody, it might be also one person, has invested 180,000, you satisfy the two requirements. The first one, the sponsor turnover. The second one, the team turnover. And now you're going to receive an awesome bonus of 7,200. We got several platinum right now in our presentation. Our partner upline, Mr. Patrick Joseph, just presented to you. He's a platinum. I think Mrs. Serafin Dento is a platinum. We might have other platinum in the presentation. We don't know yet. And some more to come also. So at that level, when you satisfy the two requirements, you become a platinum. And a platinum is one of the highest levels you can be with GIT right now. And as a platinum also, GIT gonna show you for free how to make tradings, how to make money using tradings. Remember, you're investing, you're getting commissions, you're receiving bonuses. That's a lot of money. And again, if you combining, man, you gonna be very, very rich with that. And your retirement not too far away. So definitely it worth it to go out and share the good news, but also to have a good partner that you can use also. Now, you're going to be promoted to the next level, the level 4. At level 4, you get 4 generation of compensation, the 6%, the 2%, 1 and 1%. So every time somebody at that level invests something, you get that commission. Now, when everybody or the only person you have invited has invested 270,000, and everybody, that could be also one person, has invested 900,000, you qualify the two requirements and you're going to receive another free money of 18,000. And now you're going to shine like a diamond. Now you are a diamond. As a diamond, again, you are part of the elite of the company, part of the board council of the company. Also, you know how to trade and make extra money. Now you are promoted for now to the last level, the 5th level. At the 5th level, pretty much you're gonna receive 5 level of commissions, which is gonna be 12%, 6% the first one, 2% second one, 1%, 1% the third and fourth one, and 2% the fifth one. Now, again, when you satisfy the first generation, they have invested 1,080,000, which is can be also one person, and everybody or one person has invested in total 3,600,000. You qualify the two requirements, you're gonna receive another free money of 36,000. But also you're gonna get a free toy, a car, a brand new Prado. So far, we got 4 quotes. We got Mr. Bahia, Mr. Mahamadou, we got Mrs. Bogmis, and Mrs. Manga. Pretty much, we got 2 men, 2 women, as Patrick mentioned earlier, and 4 Prados already out. It's real. The company show you the videos. They get the car. I don't know. You might say, I have a car already, but it is free. I don't, it's not necessary to know how much it costs. It's free to you by the company. You're making money, the company giving you money and also toy for you to work around to show it's real. GIT is real because there's real people making real money in this company. Now, you're gonna tell me, Richard, level one, two, three, four, five. It might not be for me, it might be for you, for Patrick, for else. I can't make it. I will tell you, it is possible, and there's a way you can get there. And definitely, we're gonna give you some, pretty much some tips you can get there. Today, we're gonna go over again. For some of you, you heard that already. It might be new for some of you. We're gonna review them. We're going to show you these principles. These principles, if you apply them, you're going to get there. If you apply them, you're going to get there. You might just start it right now. You might already starting, but you don't know why you cannot get to the next level. I'm going to show you right there what to do, what the key principles to apply to get to the next level. Yes, to be a coach, to be a diamond, to be a platinum, level three, level two. Yes, you can get there, and it's very easy. Apply this principle and you'll be there. First one, the first principle is the foundation. Whatever you're building, make sure you get a good foundation. If you have a good foundation, you're going to get to the top. If you have a weak foundation, you might get to the top and you fail. So make sure you get a good foundation. What is the foundation? First off, as a starter, you're going to create your account. You're going to activate your account. Activate your account, go to your email, click to the link, and your account is activated. And also, you're going to fund your account. Make sure you buy the package you want. You might start as low as 100. You can go as high as 100,000. But again, if you want to go to the next level, no need to buy more than 100. You can buy 100 and your downline gonna be where you're gonna compound the real money, your investment. Now, at the fourth level, make sure you verify your account. And also as an active right now, active member, make sure your account is verified. It's not hard. There's a way to do it. On week zero, day one, it's not necessary to get verified because we're not there yet. But definitely for principle three, you're gonna need that option. On your downline, do the same thing. Create your downline with your affiliate link from your portal. Click on the button saying copy, send it to your friend or send it to yourself and create your downline. It might be your trusted partner or like a company also can be your downline. Activate your downline account on both sides. Also fund your downline account. Fund your downline account with the money you want to compound. It might be a package of 1,600, 2,200, 6,400, 12,800, or 25,600. And verify your downline account. So remember, you can be a trusted partner or a company that can be your downline that gonna bring you to the next level. Now, something to know about the second principle. The second principle is the retention. Retention is to keep what you work for, keep your level, keep your commissions, keep your bonuses. Again, this principle is crucial. If you don't apply it, you might lose a lot. You might lose your level, you might lose also money. Now, what is principle two? The retention. Again, at your level, in order to guarantee, again, your commissions, your bonuses, your levels, you need to keep buying packages. And we recommend you to do so every quarter, every 3 months. I will tell you right there, if you're gonna run outside, run out there and keep recruiting people and forget about yourself, your package is for 52 weeks, if you remember that. Means after 52 weeks, it is expired. You become, you go from active member to a passive member. A passive member not gonna receive commissions, not gonna receive bonuses, not gonna get to any level. So think about that. Your package expired yesterday. You enroll somebody today. that invest 100,000 Waga package, which is a 6,000. Am I right? A 6,000 commission? Oh, hurt. Yes, that would hurt. So definitely keep buying at least a package of 100 every 3 months. So keep your earnings. Now, at the downline level, in order for you to grow, you need to grow your investment, to grow your sponsor turnover, to grow your team turnover. You need to keep buying packages. Buying packages mean you need to keep compounding what you have, not new packages, but you can compounding. If you need to add new, you can do so. Now, also at the principal too, you need to know at the downline level, the one at the bottom, um, we're gonna show you something very interesting. At the downline level, the generation that give you the highest commission, which is the 6%, you know it is generation one. The one that built your sponsor turnover, it is generation one. Also, the one it is part of the sponsor turnover and team turnover, again, is generation one. Generation one can be, remember, one investor bringing the whole money. So that's your company. So generation is the key. So that's the one if you want to be in control of your commissions, in control of your investment, in control of your bonuses, in control of your levels. Principle three. The principle three, that's the transferring. Transfer money to the down level. Very important. Now, that's for you to grow. Again, as a starter, and as an active investor, you're gonna buy as a starter a package of 100, but also for the active investor, if you have one package already, no need to buy a new one because you have package already. As a second, in the downline, buy your package of 1600, 6400, whichever you want to compound. We have some cheat sheet for any one of them. If you want to, we're gonna share that with you. They're gonna tell you when to buy, what to buy to get to the next level. As a third, when your downline bought the package, you get your 6%. We know that from the chart earlier, we saw that. Now you're gonna transfer that 6% down to the downline. And we're gonna show you, give you some notes about that. Now, once you've been transferred, you're gonna buy again packages with that transfer, which is gonna create another 6%. And you're gonna repeat that, transfer down, buy a package, get the 6%, transfer down until the balance is less than 100, the package of Abidjan. So next, we're gonna show you an example of 25,600, how many times you're gonna receive and transfer down and we buy. With one package, the first day you already receive your commissions and also get bonuses. We're gonna show this to you. Some notes for the principle three, the transferring. In order for you to transfer money to your downline or else, you need to have your identity verified. Remember that the fourth item you need to do, have your identity verified. Now, if you're not verified yet, please do so by uploading your credentials to the company. If you have some issue, check with your hotlines. If you still have problems, you can check with the GIT support. They're very good, very fast, which is 24, 48 hours. They will resolve your problem, your issues, so you'll be able to transfer. Something also to keep in mind, when you are transferring money, you need to have in your balance enough money to be able to transfer that. If you want to transfer, for instance, 100, you need the 0.03% to do so. So just multiply the amount you want to invest or to transfer by 1.03003. That will give you exactly what you need. If your balance is lower than that, you won't be able to transfer that amount. You're going to transfer lower. For instance, if you want to transfer 100, you will need 130 cents. If you want to transfer 400, you will need 401.20 cents, at least in your balance in order to transfer that. But remember, don't make the mistake of waiting for your account to be verified before you start investing. You're wasting time, you're wasting money. So start investing and get verified later on. And the last principle, the principle four, which is the cycle order, how to do it. First off, for the compound system we talk about, from the up to the bottom, you need to do first. First, you buy the package. At the downline level, you get your 6%. At the upper level, you transfer that to the downline level and you repeat again. You buy, transfer down, buy. So remember, don't transfer first, buy first, transfer later until the balance combined between the up and the down is lower than 100. So pretty much we went over a lot of stuff. If you apply the principles with the investment, active investment, with the levels, you're gonna get to the level you want to. I'll tell you, with 25,600, you're gonna get as a platinum in less than 9 months without recruiting anybody. It's possible. We made it. You can do it also. I'm gonna stop right there, Pat. So we're gonna have questions. It's already 8:50. It's
Definitely.
8:50.
Thank you very much, Richard, for all
Pleasure,
the
pleasure, pleasure.
clear explanation and also all the details about how you can be a platinum and how you can also make money without having to invest a lot of money.
Hmm.
It's not new to people that's been to our meeting and also us.
Definitely.
Everything we told you is because we're doing it. It's not something that we're just gonna teach without preaching it. We're preaching it and teaching it, and also we're doing it. So definitely it's working, and we know it's working. That's why we are sharing it with you. So I just checked the charts. We do not have any question on the charts, and
Okay.
also we do have also Seraphine's gonna be helpful with the questions if we have any. So anytime somebody asks a question, I'm just gonna redirect the questions to the person who's gonna answer it. Could
Okay.
be
Okay. Hmm.
Let
whichever.
me. I have a question to ask.
Go ahead.
Michael
Yeah.
Alexander.
Yeah. I was looking. It's saying that you don't have to recruit a lot of people. You could have one person, and based on the investment, how does that transfer down? If you let's say for example you have one person or two-person that you have got in, how does that really transfer down to like a fifth level? Don't you have to recruit? How does that work? Could you explain it?
Go ahead, Richard.
Okay, that's an awesome question. And again, okay, GIT have the level structure uh, to compensate you at 5 levels, but you don't need 5 levels to be a coach. The coach requirements is sponsor turnover 1,080,000. Your team turnover 3,600,000. Once you get these two, you become a coach. Now, also with the level one, two, three, four, five, the level one give you the highest commission, 6%. Now, we don't say don't do it. I will tell you, me, my partner Patrick, we do all. We compound, we invest, we do the up and down that I just show you. So we do all. Pretty much that's gonna bring us to the next level faster. So now if I recruit somebody and that somebody recruit somebody else, yes, I'm gonna get the 2%. But in order for me to remain in control of my investment, in control of my levels, bonuses and commissions, the up and down line mean me up there, my company or my trusted partner at the bottom. That's the key to get there. Because if I invite somebody, that somebody just bought, let's say, $100 only package, this gonna help me even for the level one. So if I'm running out of people and they keep buying 100 only, I'm not gonna get there. But think about I bought my own package and I'm compounding the package. I'm gonna get to the next level. So yes, you can get the level two, three, four, five commissions if somebody else recruiting other people. But you don't need 5 level to get to the coach level. You can use only generation one which is gonna give you the highest commission, 6%, and you're gonna get to the coach level. But definitely you can combine both of them. Add something, Pat?
No, it's perfect. I mean, do you want to add anything, Surfing?
Serafin?
She probably.
Yeah, I think it is. Yeah. So it's all depending on the amount of investment that you put in. So
Say that
I
again,
would
Michael.
personally
Can
put
you
in.
speak louder?
I said, so it all depends on the amount of investment in terms of the packages that you buy, on the number of commission that is generated, um, within a certain period of time, that you would be able to make these different percentage levels.
It doesn't matter. You can do this with any packages, any one
Okay.
of them. The only difference between the packages, I will tell you, if you do it with the package 100, it's possible.
Mhm.
200 is possible. 400 is possible. The difference between package 100 and 100,000 is the time. 100,000 will get you there faster than 100, but both of them gonna get you there. You're gonna take longer to get there, but yes, you're gonna get there. I'll tell you 25,600, and to answer also Nadia X Maop. Next week, I'm show you the simulation for 25,600 in 9 months. You're gonna get there.
Mm.
So with that amount, 25,600 compound up and down, you're gonna get as a platinum without recruiting anybody, just you and your trusted partner or your company. You're gonna get there, and not only you getting there, but you're gonna get there also as a millionaire. Pretty much, you can be a platinum, a diamond, a coach, and you are broke.
Mm.
I'll tell you that. You can be broke because the way you do it. Now, with that or with those principles, you're gonna get to the levels, but also the way that Mr. Emil Parfait wanted to be, you're gonna be also a millionaire. Because I will tell you, the package 25,600, and I keep talking about it because it's kind of close to the highest one, but also close to the lowest one. So pretty much affordable to some of you. That package can make you a millionaire in 3 years. And I say
So you said
millionaire.
you were gonna share it today.
So I will keep you for next week because it's already 8:58. So there's a lot of
My
numbers in it.
calendar
But
excited for this math and
so
example, but
definitely
okay.
you're gonna get it by next week. I promise it to you. You're gonna be there. You're gonna see it and you can get the document. And if you apply it, you're gonna be there. You can use it to be a millionaire in 3 years. You can use it also to be a platinum in 9 months, a diamond in 18 months. Definitely. You can do it without including anybody. And you'll be also a millionaire, not a platinum diamond without money. You have both of them. Any other questions?
Can't wait to see it.
Hold on, Richard. I just
Go
want
ahead,
to add
Pat.
this. By the way, we probably gonna do an exception tonight, considering that a lot of people just tune in. If you wanna go, Richard, it's no big deal. But we have
No, no,
we
no,
probably
that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. So,
we're gonna stay like probably till 9:15, 9:20, just to give a little bit of chance to people that came late, because some of them they
uh,
didn't really digress the fact that we told them it's gonna be 8 o'clock tonight instead of 9 p.m.
definitely.
And also I
There's a
wanna
question there, Pat, from Caribbean leader. What do you think? We're not gonna answer that.
no, we don't answer to him because he's too good. So I like the thing. I like the idea that Serafin shared. It says we just need to be a millionaire in the U.S. because if you are in Cameroon, you use CFA as your currency. You're already a millionaire as a platinum. So definitely, we just for us in the U.S. We just need to be a millionaire here. We don't because we're not from Cameroon.
Yeah.
But we appreciate that, obviously. Serafin, are you back? Because we were trying to reach you earlier.
Yes, I'm.
Yes, I was saying that. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, Seraphine.
Okay.
My name is Serafin. I'm a platinum in the Liyeplimal Galaxy from the state of Maryland. Yes, I was just saying that platinum means
The audio is not good. Audio is not good.
please I'm sorry?
We can't hear
Your
you.
audio is not good.
Joe, Seraphim.
I'm sorry. I will just put in the chat. Sorry.
Okay, no problem, Seraphim. We can understand. So can you hear me, Mr. Patrick?
Yes, we do.
Yes, Mr. Stefan, our upper
Okay,
upline.
you just give our the best testimony. Is that correct? No?
Can you can you repeat? What did you say, Stefan?
Do you share your testimony about Liyeplimal or
So I did at the beginning because I think for people that was there, for the people that was on time, and as I said, can you mute everybody for me, Richard? You
Yes,
have the
definitely, definitely. We have
mute everyone, and then I will unmute
yep,
myself.
it is done. You can do it for yourself.
So as I was saying, Stefan is my upper line, and also we all here has an upper line. And as I always said, you do not need to think that you cannot go past all your upper line. There are people here. I think Seraphine upper line, she already passed him. Somebody can present you this project, and then you go far ahead of them, and you can be a coach, and they still not even platinum. That's what I like about this, and that's also what I enjoy about GIT, because it's not a fully how do you say that? It's not a concept like only the top gonna make money, only the top gonna get somewhere. You can be all the way to the bottom, and you go and you pass everybody on top. So I remember in April when I started, and that's the time that the virus was really harsh and nobody could go to work, and I was here, and then I was lucky enough to still make some money, but it wasn't like I used to. So as I said earlier, that made me think through, knowing that no job is fully 100% recession proof, unless if you're a doctor or unless if you're in some other field. So unfortunately for some of my friends, and they're still struggling, and even I invited them, sometimes they don't listen, and sometimes they still think about it. I don't really struggle with people like that because they are negative energy. They're gonna kind of pull you back down. That's why Richard and I, and mostly Richard, he came out with the idea: if you really want to get to your destination, you don't need to count on people. You can do it just you, your family, your wife, and yourself again. So that's how I all started, and also I can say I'm pretty happy with the result, and I'm also happy the fact that I can share my also experience with GIT since April 2020.
okay, good.
Awesome, awesome. We had Nadia that raised her hand for one. Nadia, you can unmute yourself and ask your question.
No, I already asked today. Tell you, and you can't do it today.
Okay,
So
okay,
that was before.
okay,
Yeah,
okay. Awesome, awesome.
I was trying to save myself some
I got
analysis,
you.
but I have to do it myself. But thank you.
Okay, good, good. Any other questions?
That would be great if we don't have any. And
Awesome.
also, I would like to hear Stefan also
Definitely.
your testimony, Stefan, as you hear.
Yes.
Stefan is my upline. Go ahead.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me, guys? Yeah. It's smelling like someone is going to be a platinum. I don't know. It's coming soon, right?
Yes.
And I just let you know, guys, that Patrick, Richard, and all of you are in this call tonight will be amazingly surprised by the energy, the atmosphere, and the way when you work together as a team. For example, I'm Patrick's sponsor. Patrick is working with me. Patrick works with Richard. His first line, second line, third line is the entire story of Liyeplimal in the United States in the worldwide station. You will see that. When you work as a team, you become one, and for sure, you are indestructible, You are amazing team. You get some result like, huge, and you just appreciate each other. It's not only about money, but it is about how to respect the other. We can talk. Sometimes it's kind of serious call, and sometimes it's amazing call, especially when Patrick is in vacation and he still think about us.
Yeah, I was on vacation. I was still doing it. Yes.
Yeah, and Richard, never give up. He say, yes, I know, guys. My time is short, but let us make it. And Richard still on the map, still doing his best to prepare some good presentation for us like he did tonight. And I just would like to thank you guys for your patience with me because I'm the Frenchy guy. It's easy, but all is possible if you believe. So thank to trust in me so I can still improving on and to be as one as a team. So just be welcome for the new guest tonight. You are in an amazing team. Just do your best as you can, and you will be amazingly surprised by the good result.
Thank
Thanks for listening.
Definitely thanks to you to show it to Patrick, that show it to me, because it is an awesome, awesome opportunity. And and as I'm doing to now, I'm gonna run with it and definitely share with you guys. We have Seydou's iPhone. He has raised the hand. Seydou, you have the mic.
Hello, my good presenter. How are you doing tonight?
Doing pretty good, very good.
All right, thank you. I don't have a big question. I just have a little things that I would like you guys, if you guys can help us with that.
Go ahead.
Okay, sometimes when you talk to people, the first thing that the mind goes straight to is pyramid. And we just telling them this is not a pyramid. It's an investment company, but we need some for our presenter, just like you guys are very good. If it's possible, at least to start addressing that, to be able to explain it, even if it's a little section somewhere down the line that you guys can develop that will be able to clarify to people that
I lost him. I don't know if it's still talking.
it will definitely help. Second thing is that we also, as sometimes we have some people that don't speak French that needed some PDFs in English that we don't have much. Most of what we do have is in French. So we need, if we can have a little bit of some more presentations, PDF that we can use, in English, that we can use that to a little bit elaborate and explain a little bit more in details what the company is to people that do not speak French.
Okay, I will take the first one. The second one is easy. You can take our program, which is in English, so you can use it. The first one, I will tell you my approach. When I get to my friend, I don't present GIT as a multi-level company. I don't present GIT as you have to recruit somebody. It is an investment company. So start presenting GIT as an investment vehicle. It's an option. People might have other options. They might went to the bank. They might have a CD. They might have annuity. They might have different stuff. So you can say, hey, that's something I would like you to consider, and just show them the package. If you buy a package of 1,600, after a year, you get 3,200. As simple as that. Now, when they get into it and they start receiving their payout, you're going to come back next week. After 2 weeks, 3 weeks, they're going to call you and say, hey, it's real. I'm getting my money. Now you can tell them, do you know something? There's free money for you also. Oh, yeah, tell me more. If you talk to your neighbor, to your father, your brother, your sister, your wife, your friend, your colleague at the job, GIT gonna give you 6% of their investment. Really? Yeah, try it. Let me try to talk to my wife. She come on board with 200. Once he get the 12 bucks, he's gonna run with it. So at first, don't talk about it. Tell them it's an investment. When they invest, they see the first part. Now you can come back 2 3 weeks later, say you can get some free money if you share it with your friend, etc. Now they might tell you, I'm not a people person, so just show them the 4 principles. They can use their company or anybody else with that. They can get to the levels, get the free commissions, the free bonuses, and the free stuff. So start. Don't give them everything at first. You can start gradually. Definitely, they will see the company differently.
Yeah, I totally agree with you, because not everyone like to share also. I mean, like I know a lot of people, they don't like to talk to people about anything. They, first of all, they are shy, and also they some people, they have bad experience by
Mhm.
sharing. You know, you can, as Richard said, you do not have to. I mean, I'm not gonna discourage you guys to do what you like best because we all have different strength. Me personally, I might have a possibility to share with somebody, but Richard might not. You know, like as Richard said, it's better to just present Jati as a investment company, and this is what it is. Obviously, you bring your money, and they give you your return every single week. And if you want to compound, you can just change your life around. This is the reality of it, and it's truth, and we all been doing it, and it works.
And one last thing for you guys is that we have a lot of coaches and we also have a lot of diamonds. But the only coach that sometimes we see that participating and giving us, a little bit of motivation is only Bernard. So I know you guys can help us, just join them. They're coaches and they're also diamonds. We need them to show their face sometime to our meetings. Once in a while, if it's one person coming, give a good testimony. It's good. It just gives motivation. It's good. They are
That's
our
good.
diamonds. They are our leaders. We need them. They cannot just be hidden. They need to come out of the shadow.
Definitely. Go ahead, Pat.
The first problem that we have from inviting these coaches is because they have 5 hours ahead of us. We usually do our meeting at 9 p.m., which already 9 plus 5, it's already like 2 o'clock in the morning for them. So now on Sundays, we don't do meetings, or on Wednesdays, we do it only on Wednesdays. So that's the difficulty that we do have. We would have to change the time considerably, like make it to like 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. where most of us are already at work. It's hard for us to get that. But I believe for our team and for our viewers tonight, we might have to have one exception, maybe one Sunday during the month. We can have a meeting at maybe 4 p.m. But sometimes they also have other group that already have meeting in that day. So we don't want to have any meeting conflicts. But for us, we're probably going to have to think about it. Richard and I, we can talk.
Definitely.
And also Stefan and Seraphine, we can put together a consensus and we can see if we can make it happen on one Sunday, one day a month. Yes.
Definitely. Pat, do you see the note from Nate? Pretty much he's applying right now the compound and he's getting closer to the platinum level.
That's good. That's very awesome, man.
So yes, you can apply it and definitely you're gonna get there. It's about time. So the higher you start it, the faster you get there. And not only gonna bring you there as a platinum, diamond, and coach, but also gonna put bucks in your pocket. You're gonna have money. You're gonna be millionaire, definitely, in USA. So
Seraphine has something. I know her microphone is not.
Yeah, she said she had bad network. That's a problem.
The truth is you cannot convince everyone, and I can tell you there are a lot of people. Me personally, I have friends that I will never invite them to GIT. Why? Because the first thing they're gonna say is, "Oh, it's an African company.
Mm-hmm.
You know, they are black." You know, the first thing in their mind is, "Look, black cannot do anything good." And second thing, oh, they're from Africa. You know, if it was a white company or a company here, they would just take your money and then leave, like BitConnect has done it, or the company that has done it. They would just bring their money and then don't worry about it. So I don't talk to people like this. Even though I know them, I prefer to just do my own business. And sometimes if some of them, they come with the open-minded, as Seraphine said, yes, I would just say, hey, you know what? I have a solution for your problem. You want to come on board? I've been in it since April and I've made money, and then I can just present you and then I can help you with this. Definitely.
We have a question, Pat, from Tito Baron. Raise their hand.
Yeah, good night.
Good night, Tito.
Yeah, I've been looking at your company for quite a while now. And there's some questions I have, especially how do I fund, let's say, how do I do my investment?
How do you do
what means?
Yeah.
Huh?
Go ahead. You say, how do you do your investment, Mr. Tito? Is that what you
said? Yeah. I mean, Bitcoin, dollars, or...
Oh, okay. It's unfortunate that you were not there at the beginning. So it's a crypto-based company. So they do investing in cryptocurrency. I don't know if you're familiar with this word.
Yeah.
So when you bring your fiat money, which is US, or I don't know where you are, if you're in Canada or if you're in Paris.
No, I'm in the Caribbean.
Okay, when you bring your fiat money, you buy a package, cryptoactive packages. So they give you a return. Like per se, if you would buy the $100 package, they pay you 6% commission out of your package every single week. And then at the end of 52 weeks, which gonna include your commission and your principal, and you get all your money all together. And if you plan to invest more, if you want to invest more, the higher the package, the better the return. So that's how this company works. So
Yeah, I know how it works and everything already because I've been studying it for a while now. But what I'm saying is
And how do you fund it?
yeah.
Fund his code.
How do I fund the investment? That's what I'm saying.
or how you found the account, like
Fund, yeah. Well, I use my card to buy the crypto package or whatever it is.
I am sorry, I misunderstood your question. So first of all, if you, I don't know if you're on Stefan team. I don't know which team are you in.
No, I'm not on any team. I'm just looking. I heard about it a couple of weeks ago, so I'm just digging into it. So I know basically how it's run and stuff. I just want to know if I want to make an investment.
Who invites you to the meeting? You have a sponsor?
No, I'm not sponsored. I somebody from a team, right?
So Stefan, can you take care of her?
I don't know. He has plenty.
Tito, tell him to invited you to the call.
Yeah, so Stefan is in the Caribbean. Pretty much he's closer to you. I think he can help you out. He's our upline.
Yeah, I guess you guys are not understanding me. What I'm saying, I basically know how it works. I want to know how do I fund an investment if I want to do an investment. That's what I'm saying.
But,
do I use a card to purchase a package or something?
Tito, what we try all of us tonight to do our best is to help you to do it, but we have to know certain information from you. Someone invites you.
Okay, I think,
And from this person, you will have to follow the advice of this person. We have to know who invites you to be on your behalf to help you to do your best.
Hello?
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
Yes, Joanne, go ahead.
What he is actually trying to say, even before he get to the point where you get a sponsor, he's trying to find out how do he pay his $100 or $200 or however much he's coming in. How do he buy whatever it is that you're selling?
Yes, but you still need to know who his sponsor is.
That's why
we don't have a sponsor yet. We heard about this call.
All right.
Meeting.
Say who invited you. Just say who invited you.
Well, I told him to say who invited him.
It's Glendon who invited him. I'm with Brenda.
Okay, that's it. Now we know which team you're coming from, because
Brenda.
That's very simple. So now I know Brenda, and Brenda is one of our team member. So why we asking who invited you is because it's a referral in a sense. We don't want to take anybody else like kind of like hard. I mean, she's the one that present the project to you, or she's the one that telling you about us. So we want you to go back to her. So I know Brenda. What I will do for you, Sir Tito, I will talk to Brenda, and then I will explain indirectly to Brenda, and then she will get back to you and then explain you everything, how you can buy a package and how you can do it, and which method you're gonna use to do so. Like,
yeah, just tell Brenda to call Teddy, okay? And she'll know who I am.
Definitely, that's the best way to do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
We got several unmute mics. So do you guys have a question? Penn, Judgeful, Idas, Glendon?
Yeah, this is Penn. I can make a comment.
Yeah, go ahead, Penn.
I think this should help the guy who asked this question.
Yeah,
I think that's one thing we missed. We didn't put in that it's a referral. It's a referral thing. Somebody has to refer you before you become part of it. I think we didn't mention that, and then we also didn't address the withdrawal options. How do you get your money back? So how do you get in, and how do you get your money back? So I think if we can add that to the next presentation, that may help.
I think that's correct. You want to know how you would be able to enter your program, like by the packages. He was trying to find out if you could use a debit card or thing like that, or he has to buy through Bitcoin. In other words, he's just trying to find a way to pay into the company.
Yeah, we understood that. That's why we're gonna take him in the back channels and explain it to him better. That's why. Yeah, definitely. You're in a good hands, sir. Over here, you are in good hands over here. So all your questions will be answered.
Good hand.
Yeah, there's another question I need to ask. Brenda
Go ahead.
posted compounding chart that you guys have. Would you be able to explain a little more about that? Because right now it's pretty fine. I was trying to figure it out. I think the 3-year, how much do you have to invest to get into that compounding for 3 years?
Oh, which one of them?
I'm not sure. That's what happened because I couldn't see the figures right. So I was trying to find out what's the packages in that. Like you have the 100 package and
She did. She posted the 16 and also the 64. That's what she posted in the compound.
Like 69 and 64?
16 and 64. That's what she posted in the chat.
Okay. Do we have time pad for this?
Not tonight, because we probably gonna have to have another meeting with Brenda and her team to understand them clearly how to better working the system. And also, okay. I told her that you are working on the $2,500 package. I know it hasn't been completed yet.
The 25 or 32?
25.6. 25.6.
The 25 is done.
So 25. I think I gave her what I had, but I will go back and talk to her, see what she had. And you guys, if you want, we can do also a separate meeting because you're a part of our team also. Even though you were not a part of our team, but we can promise to help you if we can, if we have a time. But Brenda, definitely, I'm going to explain it to Brenda. She's my downline, and then she will pass it along to you.
Okay, that's fine.
And there's a question on the chat, which are we going to answer the last one, and then we're going to move on.
Okay.
It was how to buy crypto with Bitcoin. I guess let me look again. How can you buy his package 100 to 100,000 from BTP from Payeer and by wire transfer?
Pretty much that's from Stefan. I think he's trying to say you can use Payeer wire transfer to buy that. That's what you say, Stefan?
Okay, never mind. Forget about it.
Okay.
All right. It's already 23, Richard, and unfortunately, every good thing has an end. And also, I'm gonna reiterate that for you guys tonight. I just wanna, on the bottom of my heart, say thank you for you all that has been here today. And also, every Wednesday we do have this meeting at 8 p.m. We changed the time; it's gonna be 8 p.m. from now on. We would love to have you again, and we are here for you anyways.
Is this the only time we have an English thing? Because we have a group here and we have a presentation at 8 o'clock. So we won't be able to make your call in time. I thought it was 9 o'clock. I was posted. I didn't realize you changed it.
Yeah, we do because we have some changes in our schedule, so that's why we changed it to 8 o'clock. But every meeting is recorded. Every meeting is recorded, so if you want to listen to our meeting, you can always go back. Richard, can you read everybody? Can you read to him, Richard?
Yes, definitely. And also tomorrow, we're gonna have the French version tomorrow. So with our upper upline, Mr. Stéphane Morgan, again tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern time, or should I say for the European at 20. So tomorrow at 20 or 8 Eastern time, this presentation gonna be in French, next Monday in Creole, next Wednesday in English, 8 o'clock. Again, it is recorded. You can have the link in the group chat. By tomorrow, you'll be able to review it, to use it, and next week you still can ask questions. We promise you're gonna get the cheat sheet next week, explain to you application of the principles, how to get there to the platinum using the packages, combining them. Thanks again. Have a good night. Nice seeing you today. See you
Will you be
tomorrow.
posting the link for tomorrow's
Yes.
presentation?
Yes, it's gonna be on the chat, Telegram, and WhatsApps.
Thank you.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Bye.
Definitely. Bye-bye.
Bye.